All workers in Australia have the same rights and protections at work, regardless of their citizenship or visa status. At the same time, some types of working visas come with restrictions, and it is important to know what they are. So in this video, I will go over those rights and restrictions so as to enable you to become aware of them and be able to better navigate your journey working in Australia. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja. I'm the founder of Youenrol Education and the presenter of Youenrol's videos, and you're watching another episode on the Youenrol channel. On this channel, we'll provide you with all the information you need about studying, living and working in Australia without you having to pay costly consultant fees, no matter where you are in the world. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living and working in Australia. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. All workers in Australia have the same rights and protections at work, regardless of citizenship or their visa status. Your employer must comply with Australian workplace and immigration laws, including their obligation to pay you the right pay rate for all the time you've worked, provide a safe workplace. These rights can't be taken away by contracts or agreements. Pay rates and workplace conditions are set by Australian law. If you hold a temporary visa with work rights and have not complied with your visa conditions due to workplace exploitation, the Department of Home Affairs will generally not cancel your visa, detain or remove you from Australia if you have sought advice or assistance from the Fair Work Ombudsman and you are assisting them with their inquiries. If you have not complied with the work-related conditions only and there is no other basis for visa cancellation. If you have committed to abiding by the visa conditions in the future. The department works with the Fair Work Ombudsman to support and encourage foreign nationals to come forward with any evidence or information about exploitation. With regards to work restrictions, only Australian citizens, permanent residents and New Zealand citizens holding the special category subclass 444 visas have no conditions placed on working in Australia. Other types of visa carry conditions working, such as student and working holiday maker visas. So it's important to know the rules for your visa. Your visa may limit the type of work you can do in Australia, or how many hours you can work, or what type of job you can do. So what you need to do is check your visa conditions with VEVO on the Department of Home Affairs website. It's important to note that a visitor visa or electronic travel authority does not allow you to work in Australia. Any non-citizen or visitor visa or ETA who is working in Australia is doing so illegally. You should also know your rights in the workplace. There are minimum pay rates that you must be paid for all the time that you work. You must get a pay slip each time that you are paid. If you are being paid less than the minimum rate or not receiving a pay slip, your employer is breaking the law. There are other rules about work in Australia, such as the times you can work and how often you have a break. To find more information about the minimum pay rates and entitlements for your job, go to the Fair Work Ombudsman's website. If you are working in Australia on a visa, do check and follow the rules for your visa. Remember, it is against the law for a person to ask you to pay money for a job or for a visa. Be wary of job offers that require you to make an upfront payment or give back some of your pay. Keep your passport and travel documents with you. It is a crime for your employer or anyone else to take your passport or personal items from you. Also, know that your employer can't cancel your visa, even if it's been breached. Only the Department of Home Affairs can grant, refuse, or cancel visas. Seek help if your employer threatens to cancel your visa, report you to the department, or force you to perform work duties that you are not comfortable doing. Find out information about workplace conditions at the Fair Work Ombudsman. Know that it's a serious crime offense for an employer to force you to work by threatening or even deceiving you or limiting your freedom to leave or forcing you to pay off an unexplained debt. This behavior should be reported to the Australian Federal Police. there are some things that you can't do. So don't enter into work arrangements with people who promise permanent residence in Australia. Only the Department of Home Affairs can grant permanent residency. Hope you found the information in this video useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the bell icon to find out when we release new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.